Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with my first Ramadan recipe, chicken and cheese stuffed buns. Let's begin with the dough. For that you need 1 cup milk, 1 egg, 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 2¼ teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Now for the filling we need 1/4 cup of avocado oil, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 3 cups of shredded chicken which is boiled with garlic paste, salt, turmeric and crushed pepper, then ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, corn 1/2 cup, peas 1/2 cup, italiano 1 tablespoon, nigella seeds 1/4 teaspoon, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1/2 teaspoon, onion powder 1/2 teaspoon and salt as per your taste. But before we get started, don't forget to punch the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Let's begin with the dough for the buns. In a bowl add milk and egg and whisk it well. Now add 3½ cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 cup sugar, 2¼ teaspoons of instant yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix all the ingredients well till the dough forms. Cover and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Make sure your butter is soft. Knead it well until all the ingredients are incorporated. Now, transfer the dough to a well-floured counter and knead it until it becomes smooth and elastic. You will know the dough is ready when it stretches without tearing or breaking. Place the dough in an oiled bowl. I'm using olive oil here to grease it. Cover and let it rest for an hour or until the size is doubled. Meanwhile, let's make the filling. In a pan, add 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using avocado oil here. You can use any other oil. Then 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Make sure the heat is medium to low because we are not going to overcook our onions. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm adding 1 cup of corn and peas. You can add more vegetables to it like bell peppers or completely skip all vegetables. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt as per your taste. Make sure you add little less salt because there is salt in the shredded chicken. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix all the ingredients well and now add 3 cups of shredded chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of Italiano. Cover the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Here it's ready now. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely. Now let's make the buns. Punch out all the gas from the dough. Divide into desired pieces. Form and roll into ball. Cover and let them rest in the bench for 10 minutes. Flatten the dough and shape it round using a rolling pin. Fill it with chicken mix and press it as shown. Now fill it with mozzarella cheese as per your taste, or you can completely skip this. Seal the buns perfectly and place it on the baking tray. I have lined the baking tray with parchment paper and greased it with butter. Once it's done, cover it and let it rise for 30 minutes. Now brush with egg wash. Check out the link below in the description box for the perfect egg wash. Sprinkle sesame seeds and nigella seeds. Now the buns are ready to get baked. Bake in a preheated oven at 360° Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until it's slightly brown. Here the buns are completely ready. They look very professional. Cover them and let it rest for 10 minutes before you serve. You can store these buns in an airtight container and refrigerate them. Serve them hot or warm. Toss it in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds before serving. It's a perfect recipe for those who don't want to get indulged in fried food during Ramadan. So if you guys liked my recipe, please try it and let me know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. See you next time with yet another delicious recipe. Till then, take good care of yourself. Ramadan Mubarak to all my wonderful viewers. Stay safe and stay blessed.